Ba-da-ba-ba-ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba. Hey! Hey, kids! Let's see what's for breakfast! Cheez-Its for breakfast? Man, I don't want no triple D! Bajow! Nails and screws? Awesome! Let's get a plate full! Woogity-wig! Oops, forgot the milk. Boom!
Pull up a chair. Now, I'll tell you why I like my Screws and Nails cereal. It's because it contains things that other cereals, Cheez-Its, do not contain. It's got the triple I! It's got the iron, and steel. But anyways, let's get to our cereal. Bum ba dum bum 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 bum. Time to eat. That's good.
Here's a clip from one of our satisfied customers.
Nails and screws, a part of this complete breakfast.
Nails and screws.
Get your own box at your hardware store.
Just ask Dad if you want some more.
Lots of iron for your diet. So come on down and
Try it!